Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically make it so people can change their responses on Google Forms. So to do that, you're just going to open one of the files. You're going to open your file and then you're going to go to settings here, and if you scroll down to responses here, select the arrow and make sure the allow response editing. Responses can be changed after being submitted. You're just going to enable it, and that's pretty much it, really. It is that simple, and that's how you can basically make it so people are allowed to edit their response on Google Forms. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!